Hi. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's up? My name is Lisa. Definitely make sure you subscribe. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I created this low sleek ponytail, and this video is sponsored by Cynosure Hair. I wanted to be able to show you how to create a low sleek ponytail without having to spend a whole lot of money on a ponytail extension. At first I wanted to try to create one myself, but this didn't really work out, so I kind of created something similar to give kind of like a similar effect. And this was my first time actually trying this little trick out, because a lot of people do like ponytails with just like a bundle of hair or two bundles and just like pinning them with bobby pins, but I personally don't like that. I feel like it's never secure, and like you don't want your ponytail coming out when you're out and about doing your thing, and like that's really embarrassing. So I wanted to show you how to kind of create the same effect a ponytail extension would. And Cynosure Hair sent me 2 bundles of Brazilian straight hair. It came in this really cute silk bag, and I still have 1 bundle left. I would suggest maybe use like a bundle and a half to create a little bit more of a fuller look. Kind of depends on what look you're going for. But this is the other bundle that I still have left. The hair is super soft. It's very thick, I feel like, from root to tip, so that's also really nice. There's barely any shedding. This one only had a little bit of shedding because I cut off a piece of the bundle to wrap around the ponytail, but besides that I haven't really experienced any shedding. Basically what I did was I took 1 bundle, I kept it doubled, and then I just sewed that together. Is it sewn? I sewn that? I don't know. I just sewed it together, I guess. Yes. And then I took these little, like, I don't know what you call them. They're not really clips. They're more of like pins you can put in your hair. These are usually seen on wigs and stuff. I took 3 of those, put 2 on the ends and then 1 in the middle, so that when you're wrapping this bundle around your bun or ponytail, whatever, you have something to kind of pin into your hair to make it more secure. And this is what I created. I feel like today it doesn't look as good as I've been able to make it look. It's always a little tricky, I feel like, with things like this. Like some days it turns out better than others, but I just kind of show you how I created it, and I think it's really cool. This is something you could do with bundles you have laying at home, but I actually also definitely suggest purchasing from Cynosure Hair because I really like their bundles. As I said, it's very soft, and their bundles are very thick from root to tip, and I think that's really important. And this is just a very affordable way to create some type of like a ponytail extension that is human hair, because obviously you have really cheap ponytail extensions that are synthetic, but if you want to be able to like curl it and straighten it and do all these little things, you can even do this with curly hair. If you like a curly like ponytail, you can do with that too. Really just whatever is your cup of tea. And yeah, if you want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. So I just started out with adding some gel to my hair, and this just helps make my hair look super sleek. You don't have to necessarily do this, but I just prefer how this looks. So just adding some Eco Styler gel. This one is the one with argan oil, and I'm just brushing it into my hair with a very dense flat top brush. I don't know what you would call this, I forgot the name. And then I always bring out some pieces by my ears because I don't like my ears, so I always want to cover them up. And then I'm just putting my hair in a ponytail, putting it pretty tight so that I can start working on my edges. So now I'm just going in with some Got2b glue. This is a clear one, and I love using this for my baby hairs and my edges because it just dries it's so strong, and my baby hairs and my edges stay put literally all day. So yeah, I just use a toothbrush and some of this gel and kind of work on my edges and my baby hairs until I'm satisfied. Well, I'm way too slow. using a scarf to tie down my hair and let it dry for a little bit. I usually let this sit for like 5 to 10 minutes so that the gel can dry and set and my hair stays put all day. And I thought that forever could never fall apart. Now it is time to put my hair into a bun, so I always redo my ponytail just to make sure it's like perfect and there's no weird bumps or anything. And I'm basically just putting my hair in a low bun and trying to make the bun as small as possible. If your hair is shorter than mine, then this is going to be easier. And if your hair is longer, then this is going to be very hard. But yeah, just try to make it as small as possible. I see you falling. And then I always use some bobby pins to pin away any hairs that are sticking out. And now I'm putting the first like hairpin into the bun. Just making sure it's super secure. Just push it in there. And I'm just going to start wrapping the hair around the bun. I'm just going to wrap it, and whenever a pin or a clip, whatever you want to call it, whenever I get to that point, I just again pin it into the bun and just continue wrapping until I reach the end. I hope this is making sense. It's kind of hard to explain, but I feel like you can see what I'm doing pretty clear. So I don't know what took you all this time, but you're gonna do it. And I thought that forever could never fall apart. Instead of being clever, I keep breaking my own heart. I keep breaking my own heart. So now that my ponytail is all secure, I'm going to go ahead and cut off a little bit of the second bundle that I received. And I'm just using a bobby pin and pinning this underneath the ponytail so that I can wrap this piece around the base of the ponytail so you can't see any of the wefts or anything, and it kind of like covers it up and makes it look a little bit more sleek and put together. I'm trying to hold on, but it's knocking me down and it's keeping me up all night without any mercy, without reason or rhyme. I don't know what took you all this time, but you're gonna do what you love. And I thought that. So that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did, and of course subscribe. If you're interested in purchasing from Cynosure Hair, I will leave all the links down below. Definitely go check them out. You can also obviously have a look at their other bundles, like curly, body wave, like whatever you want to get. Like you don't have to necessarily get straight, but I like straight hair. I also forgot to say my bundles came in 22 inches. So I have like a really nice long ponytail. You can even go longer than this or shorter, whatever you like. But I feel like with a ponytail like this, it's really nice to just have like a really long ponytail. I think it looks really dope. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.